Hello everyone, let's learn how to see first Instagram message without scrolling. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you need to refer back to the first message someone sent you on Instagram, but the thought of scrolling through countless conversations seems daunting? Well, worry no more. I will help you find that initial message in no time. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, let's open Instagram app on your device. After that, swipe to left or click on icon in top right corner to go on Instagram chats. Next, go on any chat you want. I will go on this first one. Now you can see I have a little messages with my second account, but maybe you have a lot message with someone and you want to see first message without scrolling, so this method is available for some iOS and some Android. So to see first message, click on top of the screen where is time, and that will send you on first message, and that's it. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.